Hey everyone, it's Gail. Let's take a quick look around our course website so you can see how Canvas is set up and how best to navigate. So it's helpful to know that when you're in our course Canvas website, you always want to work through the modules from the top to the bottom of the page. And a module is always started with a heading in a gray bar. So this is one module. Here's a second module. As I scroll down, you'll see here's a third module. The modules help organize the content of the course and help keep you on track in terms of knowing what to do next. At the top of the page, you'll find our class lounge. To get into the class lounge, simply click on the link and it opens a discussion where you can post questions, share ideas, express concerns, get help of any kind. I will respond to questions as they come up as soon as I'm able, but if you have an answer for a peer who's posted a question, please go ahead and share your answer. That would really help your peer out if I'm not able to get to the question right away. So one of the things I've done in the navigation of our course is I have set things up to have a requirement to complete a task before you can move to the next task. So you'll see that this task is the only one that's bolded. None of the other tasks will allow you to click into them until you complete this task. And you'll see on this page when the task is due. This is the latest that you can do it. And it will tell you what you have to do in order to open the next task. So in this case, all I have to do is view the task and then the next task will open. So let me show you how this works. I'll click into this task. I will read the information on this page all the way through carefully. And now, if I go back to the home page, you'll see that the next task is now available for me to click into it. And I also see a green check mark over here, helping identify for myself that I have completed that task. All of the tasks in the Good Things Begin Here module are simply, it's only required to view them in order to open the next task. And of course, viewing a task means reading it through carefully from beginning to end. So when you view a page, make sure you read the whole page and take advantage of the information and the resources available on that page. I can simply use the next button at the bottom of the page to move forward. So for right now, I'm going to quickly do that to move through to the next module. Of course, if you were engaging in this activity, you would be reading each page carefully before moving on to the next page. So now I have gotten to a place where I have finished looking at all of the things in the Good Things Begin Here module. So now I'm ready to begin the week 1 course orientation and getting started module. It tells me I need to complete all of the items. And again, it shows me the due dates. And I also have headers here that let me know everything below this header is due on Tuesday, January 5th. And then I scroll down and I'll see, okay, everything below this header is due on Thursday, January 7th. So that again helps me organize the things I need to get done, helps me see at a glance what I need to get done by any given due date. And this will show me whether I need to view a task, actually submit an assignment, or perhaps mark something as done in order to be ready to move on to the next task in the module. When something indicates that you need to mark it as done, when you're in that task area, in the upper right corner, you'll see a little button that says Mark as Done, and you need to click that button once you have completed that activity, and that will then open the next page for you. So I hope that helps you understand some of the details about how to navigate through Canvas and how to make sure that tasks open so you don't get stuck anywhere in the class. Be sure to send me an email if you have any questions at all, and I'll help you out.